I feel like I'm gonna have to deal with Karens, ticks, and probably beavers, but this has been a spot I've been wanting to come and fish for a while. I spotted like some muskies here like 7 years ago. Oh, we made it to solid land. Like I said, there are angry beavers. There's gotta be ticks over here. I don't even care. I just want to fish this river. That's all I care about. And it is stupid windy, but the wind is actually coming from the opposite direction than the main river down there. So it may actually help me out. And I don't know, muskies, I always have better luck in the wind, but this is gonna be interesting. Like there is like a real potential for me to catch like a pretty big muskie. In moving water, it's gonna be crazy. And this is just beaver territory. Part of the reason why I brought this thing was to measure said muskie, and then also if a beaver comes, this is my beaver whacking stick if it tries to attack me. On the things I want out by me, for sure, tools, our bevies, you have our coffee. That's in case we do catch a fish. And we need like emergency like picture of it, because when you're holding like a bass you can go like that, but if you're holding like a big pike or muskie, it's hard to see from this camera. So that's gonna be like my when I catch a fish cam. There we go, boat's in the water. Last time I was here I was bow fishing. Now I'm going for muskies. Tons of carp over here. Like, bro, you're telling me by this pipe there ain't oh. Of course. Muskie fishing opens first Saturday in May. And the first Saturday in May was like May 2nd. Because usually you have to wait, and like these next couple of weeks it just gets so overgrown and like the water gets low. This just feels so sauce right now. Definitely looked like something was behind us. I'm not even lying right now. Like I've seen big pike have been spotted up this creek, like almost a mile up, you know. So it's like, no doubt there's pike on this creek. And then muskies spotted on the main river. But the muskies, oh, minnows right there. Just scared some minnows. That's a good sign. It may be worth it to drop right here, right where these two rivers meet. Because I think when I did spot those muskies, the water was like over this mud. And the depth right here is to be desired. Wind is definitely stronger than the current. Oh, he came out. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. It wasn't big, but it was a muskie. Oh my God. The net got in my way. Oh my God. He hit it boat side too. He only had one hook in it. It wasn't a big muskie at all. It was maybe like a 35-inch muskie. But nonetheless, it was a muskie. That's what we haven't caught a muskie on film yet. God. I should have treated him. I tried horsing him in, and he had more energy left in him. Damn, bro. Oh. It could have been our first river muskie. Prophecy could have been fulfilled. Honestly, like, he was just so badly hooked, honestly. He was really bad, like he only had one hook in him. My net got in the way. I should have gave him line. He was one that I could have, just the way he was hooked, he had some spunk in him. I really should have. If the net, I mean, there's just, the net got in the way, and I was like at such a weird angle. I was like, I knew he was gonna come off. The second I got in that position, I was committed to. You had to take a lot of cast back here to get one to raise one, so I think that may be the move once I find a place that looks good. Just kind of stay there. You just got to be ready for boat side bites at all times. I've been really lazy with it right now. I mean, we can't go the day with that being the only opportunity, because then it will just be like, then I'll have to come back on Wednesday. I mean, there could be some skis back here. Right there, that's where we gotta go. We gotta go over there. Keep on moving on. This little cut may be worth fishing right here. This is totally impassable. I don't know what that lady was saying, but she was like recording me. She was like, "Hero, train," and then I waved at her. I don't know what the hell that was. Our three concerns: ticks, beavers, and Karens. We've only gotten bothered by a Karen, but I don't even know what it was. I'll for sure check the audio. But I'm gonna see if this is private or public land right here, because I want to fish over there. That's the sauce. Depending on how the rest of this day goes, I may come back here honestly on Wednesday, because then I could just carry my shit right into that bay, start fishing that bridge. Cast, but I think that's all she wrote. I had a muskie on. I should have kept my net on my boat instead of having it in the paddle holder. I may or may not come back. I'm really tempted to come back on 2 days from now. Like, I know there's fish here, and I do want to fish by that one bridge that I wasn't able to get to. But I feel like I just need to catch a big toothy critter here. Like, I need to come back here. Okay, let's get it. Day 2, trying to catch a river muskie. I mean, even a big pike will pass, but we really just want a muskie. It's about 20 degrees cooler than it was 2 days ago, and there's about 20 degrees less wind. And then I did double check that one portage area. I double checked on like a city map, and it is owned by the city. I think we're just gonna fish these hot spots pretty quick, and then try to get to that bridge that we didn't fish to last time. There we go. Got something. Oh, just, there we go. Caught a fish. Okay. Okay, there we go. He really choked that thing. I just wanted to get him out of there. Carpy. Oh, this land is very soft. This is very soft land right here. Okay. Okay, there we go. All we have to do is just make it right over there, then we're good. For right now, we just got to get under this bridge. This is uncharted water, so we don't know the depth. We don't really know a whole lot. So we're just going to take it nice and chill. Get a read. Check the depth. Depth is pretty good. You can probably take some casts. All sitting down here. Depth is actually really good. There's kind of only 2 more spots left on this section. There's so much carp over here. It's it's crazy. There's only 2 more spots left on this section. I got like a little outcrop from like a creek, and then there's like a bay back there. This area is wild, boy. Bald eagle right there. It really just feels like if we can't get bit here, I don't know. I don't know where else we're gonna get bit. Huge log pile up back there. Just huge. I think I am just gonna cut my losses. Portage back, maybe fish where we caught that pike. I don't know when we'll be back, but we'll be back.